In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to humanize AI content in Grammarly. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Grammarly, then click the official Grammarly website in the results. Once you're on the site, create a new document so you've got a clean space to work. This is where we'll bring your AI-generated text to life. Paste or type your text into the editor. Now, let's set the writing goals that shape how Grammarly edits your piece. Open the Goals panel and select a casual tone. Casual helps remove stiffness and adds a more conversational feel. Set the intent to inform so your writing stays clear and helpful without sounding technical. For the domain, choose General to avoid niche or academic edits that can make the text feel robotic. For formality, pick Informal, which encourages contractions, everyday vocabulary, and relaxed sentence structure. When you're done, click Done to apply these preferences. Next, review the suggestions that appear in the sidebar. Work through them one by one and accept the changes that improve clarity, vary sentence structure, and simplify phrasing. If a suggestion shifts your meaning or your voice, skip it. Aim for natural rhythm, concise sentences, and a warm tone. Now let's use Grammarly's Generative AI to refine the draft. Click. Write with Generative AI, then choose Improve It. Give it a moment to generate. You'll typically see tighter wording, smoother transitions, and more human-sounding choices. If you want alternatives, click More Ideas to compare options and pick what best matches your voice. From here, fine-tune the tone. Use the tone controls to adjust how the writing feels. Make tweaks that emphasize clarity and approachability, then apply your changes. To lean even further into a friendly voice, select Sound Casual. This encourages conversational language, contractions like your and its, and a more natural cadence. Read through the updated version from top to bottom. Make small manual edits where needed to keep your perspective, examples, and brand terms intact. The goal is for the text to sound like something you'd actually say out loud, clear, confident, and personable. When it does, you're done. Save your document, and it's ready to share. Follow this flow. Set goals to casual, inform, general, and informal. Accept helpful suggestions. Use Improve It. Explore more ideas. And adjust the tone, and your AI draft will feel authentically human.